Next, start assembling. The eyes are roughly around the 4th row. Find a symmetrical point at the 5th row. Take out the beak. This is the right side. First, determine the position. After determining the position, take out the glue stick. Cut the glue stick at an angle like this. If you have a glue gun, it'll be a bit easier to handle. Attach the beak. Fix the shape and press for a few seconds. The 2 hands are on both sides here. Eyes should be parallel. Only a little glue is needed here. Do the same on this side. After both sides are attached, let's look at the feet. This is the right side. This is the wrong side. Find the wrong side. Attach it at a position visible from the right side. This horizontal line is at the bottom here. Just apply a little glue in the middle. And then this chick bag is finished.